Welcome to Lindley Hancock's video on AI and the Internet of Things, IoT. The combination of AI and IoT is revolutionizing the way we interact with connected devices and transforming various industries. AI algorithms can analyze the massive amounts of data collected by IoT devices, enabling intelligent decision-making, automation, and predictive capabilities. AI-powered smart assistants can seamlessly integrate with IoT devices, allowing users to control their smart homes using voice commands and personalized preferences. At Lindley Hancock, we understand the potential of AI and IoT convergence. Our solutions leverage the power of AI to enhance the functionality, efficiency, and security of IoT ecosystems. Thank you for watching our video on AI and the Internet of Things IoT, #AI at #IoT #AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.